The world order is shifting rapidly, as the balance of power that once seemed unshakable is now in flux. The tectonic plates of global influence are moving beneath our feet, redrawing the boundaries of economic and political might. Emerging economies are rising to challenge the long-standing dominance of Western-led institutions, bringing new perspectives and priorities to the global stage. Their growing economic clout is reshaping trade, investment, and even the rules of diplomacy. The BRICS bloc, once just an acronym for a handful of fast-growing economies, has evolved into a major geopolitical force. Its members are now actively shaping global conversations on finance, security, and development. BRICS is expanding its reach, now welcoming Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, the UAE, and Indonesia into its fold. This expansion marks a significant shift, as more nations seek alternatives to traditional power centers. This move signals a clear intent to build a parallel structure for international cooperation, one that reflects the interests and aspirations of a broader range of countries. The rules of the game are being rewritten for a multipolar era, where influence is shared and no single bloc holds all the cards. BRICS now offers a powerful platform for countries in the global south to amplify their voices, pursue development on their own terms, and collaborate outside the traditional influence of Washington or Brussels. In 2024 alone, over 30 countries have expressed interest in joining BRICS, reflecting a growing desire for a more balanced and inclusive world order. This surge of interest underscores a powerful undercurrent of change as nations seek new alliances and opportunities in a rapidly evolving landscape. The bloc's growth is a deliberate strategy to create a more inclusive, representative platform, one that directly challenges the G7's dominance and offers a counterweight to established powers. While Argentina declined its invitation, the momentum behind BRICS remains undeniable, as more countries weigh the benefits of joining this expanding alliance. The world is moving away from a monolithic system toward a fragmented, multi-aligned one, where countries can forge their own paths and partnerships. At the heart of this realignment stands BRICS, serving as a catalyst for change and a symbol of a new era in global relations. In this shifting landscape, every nation must now reconsider its place in the new global constellation, as the future of international power is being redrawn before our eyes. The expanded BRICS Plus now represents about 45% of the world's population, over 3.3 billion people, and a vast consumer market. Economically, the bloc accounts for more than 37% of global GDP in purchasing power parity, surpassing both the US and EU. With new members like Iran and the UAE, BRICS Plus is on track to control nearly half of global oil production, challenging the petrodollar system. The new Development Bank and Contingent Reserve Arrangement offer alternatives to the World Bank and IMF, providing financing without Western policy strings. These institutions have already funded billions in infrastructure and clean energy, strengthening economic ties among members. The bloc's scale and resources give it unprecedented leverage in global negotiations. BRICS Plus is building the foundation for a resilient, self-sufficient financial architecture. In a twist that few could have predicted just a few years ago, several European nations are now seriously eyeing BRICS membership, signaling a dramatic shift in the global balance of power. This move is revealing deep cracks in what was once considered unshakable Western unity, as internal disagreements and external pressures mount. Turkey, a long-standing NATO member, is at the forefront of this shift, actively seeking to diversify its partnerships and assert its unique role as a bridge between continents and cultures. For Turkey, joining BRICS isn't just about economics. It's about gaining a seat at the table of rising powers and having a real chance to help shape the emerging New World Order. This shift is less about abandoning the West entirely, and more about embracing a multi-aligned future where nations can pursue their own interests more freely. Behind closed doors, rumors swirl that another European nation is quietly exploring closer ties with BRICS, driven by frustration over economic stagnation and growing political fractures within the European Union itself. For these new aspirants, BRICS represents not just access to new markets and investment, but also the promise of greater independence in foreign policy and a chance to escape the constraints of traditional alliances. The bloc offers an alternative forum where strategic importance is recognized and respected, without the constant lectures on democratic norms or political conditions. As the world order continues to evolve, the allure of BRICS is undeniably growing, even within Europe's own borders, challenging old assumptions and opening up new possibilities for the future. A core BRICS Plus goal is to reduce dependence on the US dollar, a process known as de-dollarization. By promoting trade in local currencies, the bloc aims to bypass the dollar-dominated SWIFT system and insulate members from US sanctions. The new development bank is issuing more loans in local currencies, building a new financial ecosystem. Discussions are underway for a common payment system or even a BRICS reserve currency, possibly backed by commodities like gold or oil. While a shared currency faces challenges, the very conversation signals deep dissatisfaction with the current system. Successful de-dollarization would erode America's financial privilege and create a more balanced global monetary system. The dollar's reign isn't over, but BRICS Plus is mounting the most organized challenge in decades. The global financial map is being redrawn, slowly but surely. BRICS' expansion brings new influence, but also internal tensions and rivalries. The bloc is a diverse mix: democracies like Brazil and India, autocracies like China and Russia, and members with historic disputes. Rivalries, such as between Iran and Saudi Arabia or China and India, could create friction. Economic disparities and domestic challenges, from China's slowdown to Brazil's instability, threaten cohesion. Democratic members often seek balance with the West, while others push for a more assertive anti-Western stance. The consensus-based decision-making process can lead to paralysis if members can't find common ground. The key question: can shared ambitions overcome divergent interests? BRICS' future depends on turning its diversity into a source of strength, not division. The West's response to BRICS Plus is a mix of public dismissal and private concern. US officials downplayed the bloc's cohesion and de-dollarization efforts, projecting confidence in the Western-led system. Yet some European voices warn that ignoring BRICS is a mistake, urging reforms to make Western institutions more inclusive. A more confrontational Western approach could escalate tensions, forcing countries to choose sides. The lack of a unified Western strategy is a vulnerability, giving BRICS Plus room to set the agenda. The EU is caught between its US alliance and economic ties to China. Turkey's interest in BRICS further complicates Europe's position, highlighting the challenge to the post-Cold War order. The rise of BRICS Plus is forcing the West to rethink its global strategy. The expansion of BRICS stands as a defining feature of the evolving 21st century world order, signaling a shift away from the dominance of a single power or bloc. As new members join, the group's influence grows, reflecting the aspirations of emerging economies to have a greater say in global affairs. What began as a simple concept has now matured into a robust institution, with BRICS steadily gaining economic clout and strategic ambition. Its members are not only shaping their own destinies but also challenging established norms in international relations. The bloc's future success, however, will depend on its ability to manage internal diversity, balancing different political systems, cultures, and priorities, while delivering tangible results that benefit all members. The upcoming Rio summit will be a pivotal moment, testing whether BRICS can truly drive meaningful reform in global governance and foster deeper South-South cooperation beyond rhetoric and into action. BRICS Plus isn't seeking to overturn the global system overnight. Instead, it aims to gradually build a parallel framework, one that offers genuine alternatives in trade, finance, and diplomacy, giving countries more choices than ever before. Its innovative partner country status allows for rapid expansion and greater influence, enabling the bloc to adapt quickly to shifting global dynamics and welcome new voices into its fold. For Western nations, simply denying or confronting this shift will only hasten global fragmentation. Instead, engagement, dialogue, and meaningful reform offer a wiser, more constructive path forward in this new era. We are entering a truly multipolar era, where alliances are fluid, power is diffuse, and the BRICS Plus bloc stands at the heart of this historic transformation, shaping the rules of tomorrow. As BRICS Plus continues to grow, it is already reshaping the global conversation, compelling every nation to adapt to a world defined by many centers of power, new partnerships, and shared challenges.